Okay, today we are going to learn how to use Illustrator to create a little ticket which can print it on the sticky label. So let's find our Illustrator. On the bottom you see this AI is called Adobe Illustrator CC 2015. That is the program we are going to use. So first one, don't follow me, and if you have any question, I'm going to answer later. Just watch. When you have Illustrator CC open, you go to File, come to New, and the file we are going to create is called Ticket. So in Illustrator, the work area we call the artboard. So the size, you can do letter size, legal size, tablet, and everything. And also you can use a customized size. Also here, as everybody know, in America we use inches, and in the other country like China, British, we use a millimeter and a centimeter, and some places use a pixel, and some document you can also use points and pekka. For this document, for this work, I'm going to use millimeter. Okay, so when you change this, you can see Illustrator automatically calculate. If it's inch for letter size, it's 11 inch by 8.5 inches. If I change to millimeter, it's going to be changed automatically. There is another option called the bleed. I'm going to talk about that later. Also, the color mode, because it's going to be printed, it needs to be CMYK, which is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, which I'm going to have another lesson. We are going to talk about the color mode, what is the primary color for the screen mode, what is the primary color for the printing mode. And for the printing also, I need 300 ppi or 300 dpi is the same thing as a pixel per inch. That's for the standard for the print. And I just go, okay. To come here, I noticed last time I set up bleed, and now I need to change it. I just need to go to document setup. I just need to get rid of this and say okay. Give me a blank file. So I also want to change to from horizontal, I want to change to vertical. Okay, just by click this little man, it's changed. There is a shortcut key. See, this document right now is doesn't fit into my window. There's a shortcut key called Command 0. When you type this whole work area is going to appear fit in your document. After you're done with this, the first tool on your toolbar is called Move Tool, and we are going to find a tool called Rectangular Tool. We are going to create.
We must know all those tool names, right?
Yeah, I'm going to teach that later, all the tool names. So before I come to this lesson, I measure the size I'm going to create for each little ticket, which is 6.7 cm for the is 67 mm for the waist, and the height is 25 mm. And say okay. That's going to be exactly the same size as the ticket. So what I need is, because this is exactly the size for each single ticket, this ticket, as you can see, I want to do is on the vertical side. What I can do is right now just hold down your shift key. When you have this little rounded thing on the corner, you just hold down your shift key and drag it.
And rotate it.
It's going to rotate to 90 degree. Before you release the shift key, release your mouse first. Okay? After you're done with this, you can use the zoom tool to zoom in this part. I'm going to create another line which is going to be printed inside. I'm going to object pass, offset pass. I'm going to use the -2 mm preview. Okay. So this is going to be the arrow we are going to print it out. This is the size for each label. So this one I'm going to change the stroke width. So when you select it on rectangle here, there is a stroke size. I'm going to change to 0.75. Maybe it's a little skinnier, so I come back to 1. That's good enough. So another thing I want to create is a little dotted line. I'm going to offset pass again. Instead of 2 and -1 mm. Going to preview. Okay. I'm going to use my scissor tool. The shortcut key is S. Scissor is C. Sorry. Cut it. And then use a sub-selection tool. Select this. Delete it. Select again. And the C for shortcut key for the scissor. Going to cut it. And use a selection tool. Select it. Okay. Then I'm going to change this stroke style. Click this basic. Come to the stroke option. So now I want to change it to the dash line. So if you cannot find this stroke option, you can always go to Windows, and here is the stroke. Okay, and click this dash line, and now I want 2. Maybe this is 3. Okay, size 2. That's good. So another thing, I'm going to select this one using the eyedropper tool and select here. So this one
mimics what, right?
This one is going to be exactly the same as the other line. Okay, after you're done with this, we need to use a type tool to type some word here, which I'm going to, the shortcut key is T, which is this little symbol.
What's Command T?
It's a T. You just type class of 2016. So if I need to make it adjust to center, I select all the text here and I go to paragraph selection. This one is align to left. I just change to align to center. And put it here. So right now I think I want to change this font is too skinny. I just come to the character. I'm going to change to another font. Personally, I like the Heratica. So I'm going to, because Heratica has a lot of family, so I like a Heratica bold. I want to increase the size in between the line, which I'm going to do from the character, going to do here. This is called a leading. I'm going to have another session. We are going to learn about the typography. Leading is the space in between the line. We are going to learn this. 14, 24 is too much. 18, that's good. After we're done with this, I want to duplicate this one. You just simple using the selection tool, select this, and hold down your option tool and drag. Notice there is a green line there that tells you those two are aligned center, which is wonderful. Okay, so we did that. After we finish this, remember you always save your file before you continue. Every 5 minutes, save your file. This way, if your computer crash, you still have your file exist. Okay, you just shortcut key is Command S. Open the window so you can save on the desktop. After save, by default, it's going to save in the Illustrator CC file. The attention extension is .ai. Say OK. So the next thing I need to add is the graduation cap. So I need to just do a quick job and go to Google, find graduation cap clip art. Okay. Find an image which is only black and white.
Why didn't you choose the first one?
Yeah, we can do that, but
2016.
yeah. Let me see if I can have the better choice. If I could.
What color the ticket is going to be?
The ticket is going to be black and white. So that's the reason we only need to worry about the black and white artwork. We don't have to worry about anything else.
You know the one I chose is better.
Yeah, after the graduation, I believe the tassel need to be on the other side.
2016.
Which one? 2016.
No, right
this
there.
one? Oh. Okay, so we can use that. Or
How about that low?
which one?
That low? Oh, it just need a cap, no diploma?
No, doesn't need diploma.
I mean,
Because they are two going to be, we just need a simple one. You know, maybe we just use this one.
Yeah, it's 2016.
But we don't need a 2016 word. I need to delay those. Okay, let's just drag this on there.
I seen a nice one. Go back.
Which one you thinking?
Look, go up. Don't go down on me.
Go
Wait,
down?
right here. This one. That one?
No, this has a gray color. I think we just stick with the one we choose. The one you said 2000. Actually, this one has no.
You chose that one already. That's the one you chose right here.
Right.
Almost. That's
Almost,
not it.
yeah. But we just use this. It's okay to do that. So after you're done with this and put this image on your desktop, you just simple grab this, put on your Illustrator. Notice there is a big X there. Why is that? Because everything, if it's image, you put in Illustrator is link file. You need to embed this here, and you need to use image trace option. 3 color. Here is the option, and click this at once. Need to ignore white. Okay, and another thing is we need to do is expand it, ungroup it, hold down your mouse key. I'm going to delay this 2016. I'm going to need to modify this tassel a little bit. Using a zoom tool to here, I need to add an anchor here. I need to drag this out a little bit. Drag this out a little bit.
Now, with another picture, can you change the color of it?
Yeah. Now you can change your color if you
want
want
that white.
Yeah,
black and white.
you can do that. But the thing is, right now I only my background is white.
Oh.
So I need all the objects to be black. Otherwise, once printed out, this one going to disappear. But if you want, if they have money, you can print it in color. Look, you can change color very easily by using this amazing software. Okay, right now it's black. Alright, so I'm going to extend this here, extend it. Okay, I'm going to close this. I don't need it. I'm going to merge Pathfinder, merge this. Going to delay some anchor here. Actually, I just need to delay some anchor from here. Add an anchor at the bottom, so make it
so it's not so round.
Yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. Going to bring this to my thing. Shrink this down by holding Shift key, because that is the only way you can shrink your image proportionally. Okay. I think that's good enough. The next thing we need to do is make the space, even out the space. Select, hold down your Shift key and select all of them, and choose this align to key object. Notice this cap been selected. So I'm going to try to do where is this? Yeah. Select the key objects. Center. Okay, good. Going to do another, select all of them, make center, because I need to group this first. I forgot. Choose this and hold down your Shift key, choose this dash line and hold down your mouse, arrange and select. Here's a group key. There is a shortcut key. Apple is a Command G. Okay, group this, and I need to group this class. Just use this and select that. Need to group this, Command G, and then I need to select all of them and make it center. Okay. After this, I just Apple G. That is the first ticket we did. And now we need to duplicate it into several. Save this first. And I need to bring the ruler out. So you go to Wheel, Rulers, Show Ruler. And then I need to set the 0 by 0 from here. You just drag to here, 0 by 0. Okay. And then now I need to have a guide, which I have. This is a 5 millimeter. So 5 millimeter, which is here. I just need to view and show guide. Show gray. Millimeter. Change on here, 5 millimeter, and here is 8. This 8. Okay. This is 8 mm. Okay. Now I need to turn this. Hold down your shift key and turn this, and make sure this look is a snap on it. Snap. Now is the way this gutter is 3 mm. So I'm going to do this. Object transform, move horizontal 3 mm is a 70 vertical 0 preview copy Command D. There's another copy. Okay, now I create 3 of them. Now I'm going to select them and I'm going to duplicate for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them vertically. So 0 and object, move horizontal 0. This one is 67. 67's half of that. 67's half is 20, 23.5. Yeah, 23.5. Copy and Command D. Yeah, I think that is good. That is a good result. Now I don't need. Actually, before I do that, I noticed one thing. Actually, I don't need outside this guide. I can just use Command Z to undo this. Just delete or make this transparent. By doing that, you can go to your toolbar and select that, make it non-stroke, but still have the thing here.
You really have to make these?
Yeah. 23.5 it is. Transform move 0, 23.5 cm. Horizontal 0, vertical minus 0. Distance.
What are you trying to do now?
I'm trying to move them vertically. Okay. Zero. Yeah, that's good. Command D, copy them. Last one, perfect. Now is the ticket. So let's print it out and see how it looks. Okay, that is basically how to create a ticket.